AKS Cutting Systems. Over 100 years of made in the USA quality and craftsmanship. Welcome to the blueprint for 500% growth. This video highlights high-performance CNC plasma and waterjet cutting solutions, delivering real-world ROI based on over 100 years of made in USA precision.
We boast a century of mastery in engineering cutting-edge industrial solutions. Our uncompromising origin means we are one of the only manufacturers proudly engineering and building machines directly in the USA. Every system is tailored to specific customer applications and operational requirements. The legacy state relies on manual execution using hand torches, grinders, and bandsaws, which are strictly capped by human endurance and physical limits. The AKS Catalyst transitions this to automated CNC execution, enabling limitless design development. Our solutions unlock exponential trajectories in metal fabrication, showing a 500% total new growth across diverse industries. By eliminating labor constraints, operations rapidly expand from basic part production to developing limitless custom designs. We compress the production timeline, reducing 50 man-hours of tedious manual cutting and hole drilling into a single 8-hour shift. This frees highly trained workers from monotonous tasks, allowing them to focus on higher-value, specialized operations. Our systems handle massive footprints with microscopic precision, supporting 40-foot by 10-foot sheet handling with no shifting or realignment. Parts are ready to go, eliminating secondary processing and edge cleanup, and featuring an integrated bevel attachment for high-efficiency angular cutting. Our machines can be up, running, and profitable in just 5 days. Days 1 through 4 cover installation and operational integration. Day 5 completes training and live production handover. Days 6 and beyond include continuous on-demand remote support and troubleshooting. Choose your cutting arsenal. The Plasma series is for thick applications and high-speed steel working, offering unmatched performance. The Waterjet series provides micro-precision for heat-sensitive materials and maximum performance without heat-affected zones. The AKS support ecosystem includes a consumables loyalty program, ensuring predictable operating costs. We offer remote diagnostics for immediate troubleshooting, regional service with a comprehensive on-site network, and machine retrofits for future-proofing your investment. Discover your tailored solution. Our engineering team is ready to pair you with the exact machine required to multiply your output and eliminate bottlenecks. Request an accurate quote and ROI assessment today.